Cool, so today we're going to be welcoming some new birds into our flock. Just got back from a nice Jacobin breeder who was very kind enough to sell me some of his younger females. So I got 2 females from him and a young male. So I have a little brown hen here in the left hand corner. This is a bit of an older hen. And then standing next to her is the other young hen. And then on the right hand side here is the male. So we're going to be seeing how they do. I'm going to be introducing them to our flock, and let's hope in a little while we'll have nice little babies. Okay, so our new little lovelies are in the aviary, and our old black and white male has come to greet them. I don't think they've ever seen a quail before, so quails might be something a little bit new to them. Oh, she is not happy. Our little quail hen is like, who are these strange birds? What are they doing here? Awesome, so we're going to be leaving them and hoping that they integrate nicely, and then we'll check them tomorrow, let them settle in, let them meet the quail, find their new surroundings, and then we'll see how they do. Oliver obviously knows there is some new ladies in town, busy showing off, dancing and singing for them. And Alakai, I don't know, Alakai's just being Alakai. Hey Alakai, are you laughing? Do you think they look funny with their funny feathers? They're having a domestic now, I guess. Anyways, we'll be seeing all the birds tomorrow, seeing how everyone's doing.